Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Glow up tips using baby oil. Today, I have some super simple yet effective glow up tips using baby oil that will leave you feeling soft, glowing, and pampered from head to toe. But just a quick disclaimer, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, you may want to skip the face-related tips in this video. Also, make sure to stick around until the end because I have a bonus tip you won't want to miss. Let's get started. First up, face shaving. Baby oil can make the process smooth and easy. Apply some baby oil to your face, use a clean facial razor, and shave away for a smooth, irritation-free experience. Need a gentle makeup remover? Just grab a cotton pad, put some baby oil on it, and wipe away your makeup for a clean, deep cleanse. It's super easy and leaves your skin feeling hydrated. For a quick body moisturizer, simply apply baby oil on damp skin after a shower. It locks in moisture and leaves your skin feeling smooth and hydrated all day. If you're chasing that dewy, glass-like skin look, this one's for you. Apply a bit of baby oil on your face followed by your regular moisturizer for that glowing, healthy shine. Want to prevent those pesky strawberry legs after shaving? Apply baby oil on damp skin right after shaving for a smooth and glowing finish. Here's a tip for your nails. Mix baby oil with vitamin E oil and massage it onto your cuticles every night. This will keep them hydrated and help you grow stronger, longer nails. For shiny and soft hair, apply baby oil to the ends of your hair about 20 minutes before washing. Shampoo and condition as usual, and voila, your hair will be as soft and shiny as a celebrity's. If you're going trekking or on an outdoor adventure, try this. Mix baby oil with a few drops of Dettol and apply it to your arms and legs. It works as an effective mosquito repellent. Want to get rid of underarm darkness and redness? Baby oil can help. Apply it under your arms regularly for smoother and more even-toned skin. Last but not least, baby oil makes a great lip oil. Apply it for soft, hydrated lips, especially before bed. And now for the bonus tip. Apply a little baby oil to your wrists and neck before spraying your favorite perfume. This helps the fragrance last much longer. That's it for today's video. Baby oil is seriously such a versatile beauty product. If you caught the bonus tip, comment Diddy below, so I know you made it to the end. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty and glow up hacks. See you next time.